Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss form tag in HTML. To define any form in HTML we use form tag. Inside form tag, to define any input field we need to define two tags. First is label tag and another one is input tag. Inside input tag we define three attributes. First is type of the input, whether this input is text or number or email or another. Then we define ID of that input, and third one we define name of the input. This is the required attribute. If we add this attribute, this input field will be required. Inside label tag we define one attribute, that is for attribute. This for attribute attach this label to this input. The value of this for attribute should be the ID of the input. Similarly, we can define more input fields. Here we are defining another input field, that is email input field. Label for this input field is email and type of input is email. And we don't have to define input field using input tag only. We can also define input field using text area. This is a text area tag and this is the label for this text area. This is the ID for this text area message, and here we are defining this text area with this label. At last we define the button for submit this form. This is the button. On click of this button, this form will be submitted. Let's jump to our editor to see the output. Here I have copy pasted all the code that we saw. Here I use extra br tag to keep the output into the next line, and we can see the output here. This is our username, this is email, and this is message. That three fields we have defined in our code we can see in the output as here.